Kua roa Ali Williams e mai tui tui ana, nāna te kaupapa PAETUIA I timata kia wakākona ngā wakatupuranga au ki ene momo pukenga. I timata tana mai tui tui I tana tamarikitanga.
I grew up with the sound of sewing machines. I grew up where curtains turned into dresses. I grew up where Mum was incredibly resourceful and would just create things all the time. You know, if we had a family function, we would sit around and we'd sew. And in our whare, we were not allowed to watch TV unless you were making something. So happy hands, happy hearts. That was literally the philosophy at home.
Ka tai te ikoi mi aro e mai ana mō ngā rōpū nui.
The work was speaking for itself, and the work was getting me more work. And then I did River Queen. So that journey opened, and it was incredible, from River Queen to King Kong, and then to a ballet with the Royal New Zealand Ballet again, and then back into film. And so when Weta rang and asked if I would go down and help set up the soft fabric department. So Weta is special effects, you know, and that's leather and armour, and soft fabric are all the soft fabrics, like what you kind of imagine sewing to be. So I went and set that up in the motion capture room with our IT crew, costume and IT, this awesome mix. And then I was there for years.
Engari I wai wakaro aia ki te oki mai ki te kāinga.
Down in Wellington, we were doing all the big jobs. We were doing The Hobbit. I did World of Wearable Arts. I did the New Zealand Art Show. It was amazing. Did Royal New Zealand Ballet. And I was so glad to come home. But I did put out the kōrero, you know, what work is at home? Where can I go? What can I do? And at that time, so this is 5 years ago, Whanganui wasn't quite in the momentum that it is today.
Ko PAETUIA tana kaupapa o.
I don't mind asking for help. I do it all the time. I'm working on a film. Does somebody want to come and help me? Hey, I'm setting up my business. Somebody want to come and help me? And the pathway's opened, and I just feel incredibly blessed with what I'm doing with PAETUIA. PAETUIA means the pai, you know, the pai, to sit, to talk, to meet, to gather, where you have people teaching you, and you have manuhiri coming and leaving as tangata whenua.
E wakapono ana aia ko Whanganui te taone pai, ai pokapū mō te mai tui tui.
I want to be telling these stories. I want to be creating a costume team based in Whanganui where I am employing people and we're creating film. And if we're having a costume team, we need an art department team, so I want that as well. I want Film Whanganui to be the thriving hub of the Central North Island. Why not? We're right here. You can go 2.5 hours in any direction and you are shooting something totally different. And we have the spaces, right? We have the energy, we have the creativity, we have the people.
E wai wakaro ana aia mō ngā wakatupuranga.
If I look at my whakapapa, I'm 50. Like, if I don't teach people now, when am I going to? So, yeah, it's all on. Watch this space.
Ko Lee Williams e tui ana tana o Aki mō te anamata. Eruera Rerekura, te reo o Te Uru. Ko te reo, te take.